It's Penny and the professor. Here's Penny.
Hi everybody, we are noticing and wondering so many things about the book. I think we've answered Cassie's question, what do I notice and wonder about Chicka Chicka Boom Boom? But we'd still like to take a deep dive into a little bit more information about the book. And Crafty has a new question for us today. And also Penny wanted to show you her new shark hat. So she's got this cool shark hat. Look at that, it's got a fin on top. And she thought instead of wearing a swimming suit, sometimes in the winter she's too cold to wear a swimsuit, or even in the fall, or even the spring. So right, we're making these videos right now in the fall, but I'm telling you, she was a little too cold and she didn't want to put a swimsuit on. So she said, hey, I have a shark hat, and the shark hat's pretty cool because if you dive too deep, you might find a shark. So she was like, I think I'll wear my shark hat for the deep dive. And I said, cool, wish I had a shark hat, but I don't. So Penny and I are here to do a deep dive with you into some illustrations. And I'm gonna first try something different. I'm gonna show you the picture on pages 13 and 14, and I'm gonna not read it to you yet. I want you to look at it and just look at the picture. And what do you notice about this picture? Without me telling you the words that are on this page, or without you reading it, what do you notice about this picture? Well, I noticed that there are uppercase letters and lowercase letters. Penny noticed that some of the letters are bent a little bit, so that's weird. Oh, Ellie, you noticed something too? Ellie noticed that the tree is bent over, so it must be like once it fell over maybe or something. Okay. So we noticed some things. We noticed some things by looking at the picture without reading it. But let me read you the words now and see if we notice anything different. Let's see if the words tell us more about the picture. Let's try it. Here we go. Everybody run into the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears and dust their pants. Well, now we know some more information. I had no idea these uppercase letters were also mamas and papas and uncles and aunts. Remember how we talked about how the letters are the characters? Well, now we know what part they're playing, right? They're playing the people who are the aunts and the uncles and the mamas and the papas. And so the lowercase letters must be playing the kids. They must be all of the little kids that need their mamas and papas and uncles and aunts. So that's pretty cool to think about. I like that. I wouldn't have known if I hadn't read the words, right? Also, now we know they were running. The uppercase letters were running to help. So it said, everybody's running to the coconut tree. I wouldn't have known they were running because in the picture, it just looks like they're hugging everybody. And now I know that's a hug, right? Where the letters are bent. Yeah, I can learn a lot from the words that help me understand the picture better. What's that, Crafty? Crafty has a question, guys. Let's get Crafty out. Hey, Crafty, what's up, girl? Yes, so Crafty wanted to ask us about labeling pictures and how that is important. Why is labeling pictures with words important? Thanks, Crafty. Why is labeling pictures with words important? Can anybody think of a reason why that would be important? That's right, because we learn more information about the book if we know what the words are. So let's practice a little bit with Flower Day. Let's put up our painting Flower Day. And remember, this is just a copy picture. It's not the real painting. And I'm not writing on it for real. I'm just writing on a computer board. So it will erase. It's not going to be on a painting. You would never want to just write words on a real painting, guys. That would not be a good idea. So, but we're going to practice by writing some labels and some words right on this computer version of the painting. So it's okay. So here's what I'm thinking. I see a basket, and I know I can use my sense of hearing to listen for the sound that basket would start with. So let me hear it. Basket. Can you guys say the basket? Basket. What sound starts basket? That's right, Penny. B. Now, what letter makes the B sound? That's right, B. So I'm going to add a B by basket, and that is part of labeling my picture. All right, let's add one more. What else do you see? Flowers. Of course we see flowers, right? So flowers starts with F, fun, F. I'm going to write the letter F by the flowers. That's how I start with labeling. And I know some of you in reading groups are stretching out whole words, and some of you are writing simple sentences, and some of us are just ready to start writing the first sound of a word. And that's all okay. It's okay to be wherever we're at in our learning, boys and girls, because everybody learns at a different rate, and it's all okay. That's why we work together as a team to help each other along. Today, what I'd like to do is have you think about something that you like to smell. So these flowers don't smell like anything, right? But what do you like to smell? I like to smell cookies baking. I like to smell candles that smell really good. I like to smell, my coffee. Actually, I like my coffee, the way my coffee smells, my frappuccinos. I really like the way it smells right after it rains. So think of something you like to smell, okay? I better not see anybody draw trash. Nobody likes to smell trash. Don't be kidding me, okay? Draw something you like to smell in your response journal, and then I want you to label the picture with the letters that would start those words. So if I drew some cookies, I would need a C for cookies, right? Or if I drew some rain, I would have to go an I would need an R for the rain. Or and maybe if I drew a picture with a candle, I would need either a C or a K for candle. So you draw a picture of something you like to smell, and then you label it with some letters to show me that you know that we can hear those sounds and write the sounds that match the pictures to give us more information. Can't wait to see what great illustrators and writers and authors you are.